Learn with Chef Philip. 5 basic chicken marinades that you can make in just 30 minutes.
So lately yung diet ko more on chicken. Kasi nga nag-gym ako, kailangan ko ng protein. Ganito yung mga marinade ko. Share ko sa inyo.
Cilantro lime. Cilantro, lime, olive oil, white pepper, salt, and cumin. Next, teriyaki. Soy sauce, brown sugar, garlic, ginger, and sesame oil. Next, Pinoy inasal. Soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, onion, lemongrass o tanglad, black pepper, calamansi juice, and brown sugar. Next, lemon pepper. Lemon, soy sauce, garlic, and black pepper. Next, honey garlic. Soy sauce, garlic, onion, ginger, black pepper, sesame oil, and honey.
Wala kayo ziplock, kahit anong sealed container.
Pwede kang gumamit ng chicken breast or chicken thigh. Alam nyo ba, marinating chicken enhances flavor, tenderness, and moisture. This is highly recommended, lalo na kung busy ka sa buhay mo. Kasi once you marinate your chicken, pwede mo na ilagay ito sa ref. Tapos, lulutuin mo lang kapag nagutom ka.
Pwede to pang business. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, i-save nyo na yung video or isend nyo sa friend nyo.